Honey, I made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us, we got lots of fun stuff to do.
Good morning. On our way to the shuttle to get to Zadar city center. I think it's about a 10-minute drive from here. They offer free shuttle buses, so that's where we're gonna ride and see Zadar today.
Degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 더 바랄 것도 없어, 지금 이대로면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 Sand River.
Underground. Just like a little altar over there where you can kneel and pray. I know it's weird to look up what this is for. morning. We are waiting for the bell tower to open. It opens in about 5 minutes. We're just here up top from, I think, the square. So you can see everything from here.
I used to falling in love with love, but I'm breaking my habit 'cause you turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel is some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart is discovering. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine. I remember when we used to be in love and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby, yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no, I didn't forget you, baby.
Just resting from walking, we found this cute little oasis. A little garden by the wells. It's really pretty. You can relax with a view.
I saw you walking and talking with another guy. And now we
So we are back on our ship from exploring Zadar. Just like Split, it didn't take us as long as I thought it would take us. It was a really small town, at least the old town where the tourist spot is, and everything was within walking distance. It was like 3 to 5 minutes from places to places. We visited churches, lots of churches. We climbed up a bell tower to have a view of the old town. There was this Roman forum, so like remains, I guess, of the previous structure. Lots of shops, lots of restaurants as usual. And then there was this garden that had a view of like the marina, which was nice. Overall, it was pretty. It had that, you know, Croatian touch. I don't think I would go back though. I think it's one of those places where once you've seen it, you're good for life. Like you don't have to come back again, at least at that old town, because it was really small and it only took us like 3 hours to see everything, and then we went back to the ship. We weren't actually supposed to be here in Zadar, Croatia. We were supposed to be in Bari, Italy today, but because of the weather, the cruise decided to change route and go here instead. So this is where we are. But I think that's fine. I mean, in total now we have 3 days in Croatia, and I think that's better than having less. Zadar is okay. It's pretty. I think I like Split more than Zadar. Tomorrow we're going to Dubrovnik, so not sure yet which is my favorite out of the 3. Probably Dubrovnik, because that's where a lot of the Game of Thrones scenes were filmed. That is the vlog for Zadar. This is probably going to be super short, but it's pretty. It's worth a visit if you ever find yourself here near the area. Hope to see you on the next vlog when we go to Dubrovnik. Bye!